Wow! Very few kids are here, no?
Yeah.
You solo the swing. Solo mo. Yes. That's so nice. You can swing the whole day. No rush.
I'm gonna go to the side over there.
Okay. I go back there.
No, take a video.
I'll take a video anywhere you go. Wow, you're very strong. Oops, careful. You can do it. Go, go, go. You're heavy. Wow. One more. You can do it. Go, go, go. Oh, hold ka na. Hold your hand. Yan. Put your other hand on the bar. Ah, you did it. And then there's a slide. Ah, okay. You know what? Here it's free. In the Philippines, it's such a payment. Okay, I'm coming in the corner. Be careful, there's a baby. Wee.
Go! Come on! Swing again.
You want to swing again? Oh, the swing is available again. in fun part, it's not available. A lot of kids are chasing the swing. You're wearing short? Wala. Uy, panty lang ngayon eh. Ay! Wala ang short. Hi. I want to sit down na. Bye.
Mama, is there going up?
You stay here, Aliyah?
No.
Bye.
No.
Say hi to auntie.
Hello, auntie.
How about nanay?
Hello, Nanay.
What is your message to nanay?